Okay, so we're just continuing from our last video here on singular possessives. I'm going to do a couple more examples like this one here that we've just done so that you guys are ready to do your Google form tomorrow, because you're going to have examples like this that you need to turn into examples like this, where I'm going to tell you something that belongs to someone, and then you're going to have to write it as a singular possessive with an apostrophe S like we did here. So the first one, we said the markers of the teacher, meaning the teacher owns those markers. So we would call them the teacher's markers. We put the apostrophe S on the end of the teacher to show they own to show that he or she owns the markers. There's only one teacher here. So another example we might say is the legs of the caterpillar. So the legs of the caterpillar. Here, we know that the caterpillar is the noun that owns the legs. So we would say the caterpillar's legs. We would talk about the caterpillar being the singular possessive noun. So the caterpillar's legs are long. Actually, they're not long, they're short. So there we would say our singular possessive noun is caterpillars, because it has the apostrophe S on the end and it shows ownership. They own those legs. All right, let's do one last one, and then I'm going to have you guys do one on your own to share with us in the Zoom on Thursday. So make sure you do one of your own after this to share with us. The last one will say the coins of my mom. We'll put an example there. So here we see that the possession, the person or place or thing that owns something, is your mom. And what does your mom own? Well, she owns those coins. So the way we would write this is my mom's coins are shiny. We're just making up an end to the sentence here. The singular possessive is mom's because it has the apostrophe S and it shows ownership of the coins. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to write your own pair of sentences, just like these two, or just like these two, or just like these two, to first show something that belongs to someone, or something that belongs to something, or something that belongs to someone, or something that belongs to somewhere. So maybe we'll do one more because we didn't do a where. So we could say the people of the city. And we would say the city owns those people, so to speak. And we would say the city's people are interesting. So cities with the apostrophe S would be the singular possessive because there's only one city, and then showing ownership of the people. So we have the apostrophe S, that the city's people are interesting. So now I want you guys to come up with one of your own, write it down, and be ready to share it tomorrow during our Zoom class on Thursday morning. Okay? Take your time. Again, reach out if you're not sure, you don't understand singular possessives. Remember, it's one person, place, or thing that owns the next thing. So usually we'll see the person, place, or thing that owns something with the apostrophe S, and then the following word is usually what they own. So the teacher's is markers, the caterpillar's legs, my mom's coins, the city's people. So we see one word owns the next word. Okay, so take your time taking these notes. Make sure you understand the singular possessive form. Make sure it's not plural possessive, more than one person owning something. And make sure it's possessive. A lot of you guys just think if a word has an S on the end of it, that means it's possessive. No, typically that just means it's plural. What makes it possessive is the apostrophe S to show it owns the thing coming after it. It owns the thing coming after it. All right, keep that in mind, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Take your time, get all these notes down. I'll be checking during Zoom tomorrow. All right, see ya.